everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, Eid Mubarak to all of you who are watching this video, and today is Eid, and it is 10th July. So this is Eid-ul-Adha, that is Bakrid, and I'm back with another makeup look. And it's been really long coming here and talking to you guys and making a video for you guys. So I thought, why not do an Eid makeup look again? And this time I'm gonna be doing two makeup looks in one video itself, because I have two Eid looks. One is the Western look and one is an Indian look. I've also shot few other videos before this, but then I didn't find the time to edit it and post it on YouTube. So I haven't done those yet. So I'll first be releasing this video and then the other videos. So as I said earlier, we're going to be doing the Eid makeup look today, and I'll be doing the Western makeup look first. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in today's video, and let's get started. Okay, so now I'm done with the base, and this is the color of my outfit. It's a little bit of yellow color. It's fully yellow color with these red and blue flowers. So I'm mostly going to keep it simple. I'm not going to do anything extra because it's just a family function kind of thing. So I thought of doing something simple. That's what we're gonna do, and I'll show you my final look at the end. I'll show you the dress as well, and also I will wear earrings and all that, and I'll show you the whole outfit at the end. And also the second makeup look will be just after this, because I have to change and go to my relative's place in an Indian outfit. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do further in the video, and let's continue. So this is how the eyes look. I've applied a little bit of pinker shade in inner corners, and yellowish on the outer corner. So yeah, that's how my eyes look at the moment. I will finish mascara, and maybe I might put a little bit of a golden liner. Not sure. And yeah, I'll finish mascara and I'll be back. So yeah, I'm done with the mascara, and I'm not going to put the liner because it will look too much. So yeah, I'll apply the lipstick in front of you guys itself. So I'm using a lip liner. nude color lipstick. So yeah, that is it for my makeup look, and I'll be wearing these earrings. I hope you remember these. These are the ones which I made on the tassel earrings video, and I'm gonna be wearing these. If you haven't watched the video, I'll link it somewhere on the eye. So yeah, that's it, and I will show you the final look in the next clip. So this is the full outfit. This is the top, and I'm wearing a jeans on it, and it's a little bit of a floral top, which has a little bit of blue and red color flowers. So yeah, I'll attach the pictures in the next. Okay, so I'm back, and I'll be doing the second makeup look, that is for the Indian outfit. So I've just removed my eyeshadow and lipstick, and the rest of the base is just intact. I had just used a wet wipe to remove the eyeshadow and my lipstick. So the rest of it is the same thing, which is the base. I'll be starting with the eye makeup in some time, and the colors of the dress are pink, purple and off-white color. So I won't be doing anything extraordinary, as I said earlier. So it's gonna be just a really light makeup, and I'm gonna try doing a little bit of bolder lipstick color. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and let's get started. This is the final look, and these are the eyes. I've just put pink and beigeish and whitish color shimmer. So these are the eyes, and the lips, as I told you, I will make it a little bit bold. So I put a darker shade of pink color. So yeah, this is the final look. I will change and I'll be back. So I'm back, and I've changed into the dress, and this is the dress. As I told you, it's a bit of purple, pink and off-white color, and I've paired this net dupatta with this dress. So it's a mix and match dupatta. I didn't have a dupatta for this dress, it just came in a salwar set. So yeah, this is what the dress looks like, and I guess the video ends here. These are the two makeup looks which I thought of making in this video. One is for the western look and one is for the Indian look. And also I have paired few accessories with it. These are the small dainty earrings, and also I have few bangles and bracelet as well. So this is what the outfit looks like. It's a salwar set and with this heavily patterned top, and I've paired this net dupatta with it. So yeah, I will attach the pictures in the next clip. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. So this is the first time which I had done two makeup looks in one video itself, and if you did like this video, please let me know in the comments. Also suggest few more video ideas which I can do on this channel for the upcoming videos.